A lot of times we get a phone call about child support, and we've talked a little bit in some of the other videos about child support and how it works, overnights, the amount of the party's incomes. But probably one of the biggest bones of contention a lot of times in a divorce is the extracurricular activities. Kids are now involved in band, football, soccer. They're involved in club sports. Some of these club sports involve travel to other states and those type of things. A band can be very expensive. We have kids that are in cheer and dance, which is just crazy expensive. A lot of times whenever you're negotiating the decree, there's child support, and then there is another provision that talks about extracurricular activities. That paragraph regarding extracurricular activities and the way that it's written is very important. One of the things that we can do is when we write it, we can say that the parties shall equally share in the activity expense for activities that they agree upon. So that allows you to have some input on whether your son or daughter should be involved in club soccer, which is going to cost $700 a month. Another way to write it is that you just agree across the board that you will split things 50-50. People sometimes agree that they will divide them by the child support guidelines. In some of the earlier videos, we talked about the child support guidelines and where you have a disproportionate income, where one parent makes $10,000, the other one makes $2,500. The person making $10,000 is going to pay about 75% of the activity fee. So there are a bunch of different ways to handle the activity fee. That is a critical issue when you're getting divorced, that you want to make sure that you have a crystal clear understanding with your ex-spouse, your attorney, and whenever that paragraph is written out, make sure that you understand whether it says agreed upon or whether it just commits you to making a certain amount of payment regardless of the activity. So that is a critical issue that comes up a lot of times in divorce cases. We've had more litigation over that topic probably other than anything else except for visitation and sometimes the issue of child support itself.